Hi guys, I am Professor Rafique with the University of Houston and this is HLT 1353. I just kind of wanted to very briefly go over your assignments, your textbook, and some course policies with you. So let me pull up your syllabus here. Just to dive kind of into the basics, you have 3 exams. They are worth 100 points apiece, so they do kind of make up the bulk of your total point count at the end of the semester. So make sure that you actually read and study for them. You can't really bomb them, it'll hurt your grade pretty significantly if you do. They remain open for 7 days at a time, plus 1 late day. So you have up to 24 hours to attempt them late, but this will cost you 15 penalty points. So I really strongly suggest you don't do that because that could mean the difference between an A and an A minus, or an A minus and a B plus. Just really try to avoid doing that. I do not reopen the exams. Please do not ask that I reopen the exams. You have a whole week to do them. You have two essay assignments. One is worth only 5 points because it's kind of easy. It's just something that tackles mental health issues. The second one is a little bit more research heavy. We go over some of the health behavior risk factors in that one. It is a research letter. That one is worth 10 points. And again, you have 24 hours in which to submit them late if you absolutely have to. Remember, you have weeks to do this assignment, so don't wait until the last minute. And it will cost you penalty points again if you submit these essay assignments late. You have 2 discussion questions. They're both worth 5 points apiece, and they are also a little bit writing heavy. I do not allow late attempts for that since class participation is required. You have 1 textbook quiz assignment. This is something that has been added in recent semesters, just because I noticed that students tend to complain that there are not enough opportunities for extra credit beyond the exams. So this is an easy 15 points. You basically just go into your textbook. It's an e-text, and you attempt whatever 5 chapter quizzes that I have requested, and I will select 3 of them. The beauty of this assignment is that you can attempt these quizzes as many times as you want. So it's an easy 15 points. Don't be one of those students who somehow makes a 10 out of 15 or a 5 out of 15 or 12, whatever. You should get all 15 points. I've noticed sometimes people wait until the very last minute to attempt these quizzes. Don't do that. Attempt them as you're reading the book so that they actually benefit you for the exams. Because sometimes you tend to see these questions again on your exams. Just saying. The extra credit video quiz, I think a lot of people sometimes like this one. It's not easy. It's not designed to be easy. I basically select 4 videos for you to watch. They're usually pretty short, and then you take a quiz over them. The quiz is only open for 3 days, and it is worth 10 points. But again, the questions are kind of designed to be a little bit more challenging. Some of the questions have 5 answer choices to choose from rather than the standard 4. My advice for you when you are studying for this quiz is that you watch and rewatch the videos and write down anything that sounds like it could be a test or quiz question, because it probably will be anything, like a fact or statistic, anything. You have okay, so that's all the assignments. Something that I wanted to also drive home is that the textbook is absolutely mandatory. There is a lot of information in it, and it covers the bulk of the information that you need to learn. The PowerPoint lectures are supposed to be supplemental, as are the reviews. Definitely do the reviews. They really lay out the foundation for what you need to know. But you still need to read because there will be things that I will ask that will not necessarily be on your review. I have to check that you're reading. It's just, you have to get the book. There's too much information in it for me to divide into PowerPoints and, assignments. So you have to make sure that you actually read every chapter. And I would suggest reading maybe 1 chapter a week. You have a schedule in your syllabus that kind of outlines how you should be studying. I think that's about it. Hopefully, I probably forgot something, but there's information just all over the course. Familiarize yourself with the syllabus. It tells you everything that you need to know. Email me with questions at my Gmail address. It is on the homepage banner. Do not contact me through my UH email. I don't really respond to that. I don't even think I've opened it in like, months. Everyone emails my Gmail address. That is my work email. And if you do email me, make sure that whatever you're asking is not in the syllabus. Students tend to not read the syllabus and then they email me, and it's like, a simple question. Just familiarize yourself with the syllabus first, and if something confuses you, definitely reach out. Again, I am Professor Rafique, and good luck with the class.